Air conditioning condensers aren't designed to operate in cool or cold outdoor weather. When you do have to operate, a head pressure controller or low ambient kit is needed to regulate your condenser fan speed and regulate the head pressure of your refrigerant. In this case, we're installing an ICM 333 head pressure controller. What it does is it monitors the liquid temperature of the refrigerant and controls the fan speed to maintain your desired liquid temperature. We've pre-wired this controller, the high voltage leads, line 1 and line 2, attached to the top of your contactor for line 1. And line 2. I disconnected the condenser fan lead that was originally on top of the contactor. That is my line 2 out lead. The 24 volt power is required, so we're gonna tie into the 24 volt on the side of your contactor. And last, the temperature sensor. I usually like to run it through a spiral wrap sleeve so it protects the line. And then attach the sensor to the liquid line with a zip tie. And cover it with insulation tape. To get an accurate refrigerant liquid temperature, you have to apply insulation like this insulating cork tape around the temperature sensor that is then sending a signal to your controller. Going over the controller, we're using 230 volt single phase, so line 1 is here, line 2 is your black lead. Again, that goes to the top of the contactor. Your number 2 lead is going to the condenser fan and regulating the fan speed. These settings, here's the temperature set point, so we know that we want our liquid temperature to be maintained at about 100 degrees. The outer ring is temperature, and that's what we're going to focus on. We want 100 degree liquid. Cutout speed, since this is a sleeve bearing fan motor, we keep it inside the condenser sleeve bearing range. For hard start, it goes from very short to 4 seconds. You want to keep it at a minimum because in the coldest weather, you can actually affect how the controller performs if your hard start is set too high. So we're going to set it at right inside the sleeve bearing range, no more.